Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to enable DDC CI function. DDC CI on monitor stands for Display Data Channel Command Interface. It is communication protocol standard that allows computer to send commands to monitor and receive information from it over the same cable that carries the video signal. This enables control of monitor settings like brightness, contrast and color balance directly from computer operating system or third-party software without needing to use the physical buttons on the monitor itself. To enable this function, let's go to menu of the monitor and extra. Enter DDC CI and select between yes and no. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.